Hello everyone, how are you? Now in this video I want to show you how can you draw a vampire mouth. On my Instagram I've been drawing a lot of vampires in the past few months, so I thought I'd make a very quick tutorial about it. First mouth I want to show you is very simple, so basically we just draw a line for the mouth, very simple, just like this. And then I like to show here a little bit of a fang showing. So this is just it, one line for the mouth and then one triangle for the fang. And of course if you want you can show both of them. Second way to draw the vampire mouth. We can draw a bit more complex mouth, so with lips and everything. So I'm going to draw the line for the mouth first. Middle a little bit. There we go. And now lips. I'm going to draw a very stylized mouth, a very stylized lip, and then one a little bit underneath. There we go. So we have here a mouth. And now we can go in and draw some fangs. So again, some triangles here where the lip ends, and you got your fangs. In this case I like to draw both of them, but it's totally up to you in your own style. You can draw both of them, or if you want you can just put one leaving the mouth. It's totally up to you and your own style, what you like to do. Try out different things. You can try different types of lips, you can try bigger lips, smaller lips. Also the fangs, you can make them even longer or shorter. So let's say I have something like this, and I could go and really exaggerate how long they are, something like this. So you can play a lot with this, so don't be afraid of having fun. And now I'm going to do just one more. Our vampire girl is smiling, she's laughing, so let's see what can we do with that. So first of all we want to draw an open mouth. So you can draw it like this, or we can go with something like this. It's totally up to you. I'm going to make here another example. And now I can go in and draw the fangs. So how can we do that? First we do here a line for where our teeth are going to be, and then we just need to add fangs. So again, 2 triangles, and that's enough. Now I just need to go and erase the line here where it meets our fangs, and there we go. We have here some fangs. Again, you can make them as long as you want. You can make them closer together. For example, if I go over here to this one, so we have the line, right? And then we can make them thinner, for example. You can also make them longer, very long. It's totally up to you and what you like. Something like this. So usually all you need to know is that for fangs the shape you're looking for is a triangle. Then you just need to apply that to the kind of mouth that you like to draw. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and as always, keep on drawing.